Infinix GT Pro come with redefines performance, design innovation. Immerse yourself in a 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPS AMOLED display, boasting a 144Hz refresh rate and 2160Hz touch sampling rate. Whether you're gaming or streaming, enjoy ultra-smooth visuals and responsive touch interactions. With 1100 nits peak brightness and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, clarity and durability go hand in hand. At the heart of the GT Pro, at the MediaTek Dimensity 1350 Ultimate processor, built on a 4nm architecture and clocked up to 3.35 GHz, coupled with 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB UFS 3.1 storage. Experience lightning-fast performance and ample space for all your needs. Elevate your gaming with dedicated shoulder triggers, providing tactile feedback for precise control. The X-Boost gaming engine optimizes performance, while the AI-backed VC cooling system ensures your device stays cool during intense sessions. With dual smart antennas, maintain stable connectivity even in the most demanding scenarios. Capture every moment with a 108-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The 13-megapixel front camera ensures selfies stay powered with a 5500 mAh battery, supporting 45-watt wired fast charging and 30-watt wireless charging. Need to share power? Utilize 10-watt reverse wired charging and 5-watt wireless reverse charging to keep your other devices juiced up. Running on XOS 15 based on Android 15, the GT Pro offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. With Flagship AI Assistant powered by DeepSeek 1, manage tasks effortlessly. Enjoy features like AI Translate, AI Calls, and an AI Wallpaper generator, making your device truly personalized. Designed with an IP64 rating, the GT Pro, resistant to dust and splashes, ensuring durability in various environments. Choose from stunning color options: blade white, dark flare, and shadow ash, each reflecting a unique aesthetic. The Infinix GT Pro Gaming Master Edition. This bundle includes the Infinix Magage Cooler and Infinix Mag Case. The Magage Cooler uses magnetic active cooling, supporting Draco mode for simultaneous wireless charging and cooling. The Mag Case, crafted with heat-dissipating materials, ensures sustained performance during extended gaming sessions. Stay connected with 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, GPS with Novik support, and an IA blaster. The Infinix GT Pro is more than just a smartphone, it's a powerhouse of innovation, designed to meet the demands of modern users.